ChatGPT is a language model developed by OpenAI. It utilizes a deep learning architecture known as the transformer, specifically the GPT variant. The model is trained on a vast amount of text data from the internet, allowing it to learn patterns, grammar, and context in natural language. During training, ChatGPT learns to predict the next word in a sentence given the previous context. This process enables the model to develop an understanding of language and generate coherent and contextually relevant responses. It learns to generate responses by assigning probabilities to different words and selecting the most likely ones based on the provided input. When a user interacts with ChatGPT, their input is processed and used as a context for generating a response. The model uses the context to predict the next word, and the process is repeated iteratively to generate a complete response. The model's responses are based on the patterns it has learned from the training data, which include various types of information, facts, and linguistic structures.